Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom.
Yes, it's best to get this out in the open. Like my heart was. You mean? You mean me? Oh, 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 oh. Hey loves, I didn't do an intro, I'm sorry. But my day is going, that's why. So I didn't have time for an intro. But we're gonna be making meatballs today. Meatball sandwiches. But we're gonna put that to the side because right now we're about to make a matcha. Like, come on. I haven't had matcha in I don't know how long, to be honest. So we're gonna take a teaspoon of matcha, teaspoon of vanilla bean, a little bit of water, then we're gonna take some milk, ice. I actually have to make some more. I already had enough coffee today, so I got this cup from Walmart, $4, okay? Yeah. Sometimes I put honey, but I really need honey right now.
I couldn't slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking ass, 200 for your fucking ass.
Alright, so I gave her baby food already. Yams. Now I'm giving her bottle because she didn't eat all of it. She ate most of it, but I just put the rest of it inside the bottle. So, but after this, I think I'm about to eat because I didn't eat what I cooked. So, yeah, guys, this is my vlog today. You know.
Want you with water. Will you stop complaining then?